Today's digital marketing landscape is incredibly complex, constantly evolving with new AI tools and strategies. Staying ahead requires immense resources, making it challenging for marketing agencies, local businesses, and freelancers alike. Maintaining an in-house marketing team often brings significant costs and skill gaps, limiting your ability to adapt quickly. Securing enough budget and keeping up with trends can be a constant struggle for internal teams. Outsourcing digital marketing offers a powerful solution, providing access to specialized expertise without the overhead. You gain cost savings, potentially reducing labor costs by up to 70%, and tap into a diverse pool of expert talent. This approach ensures scalability and flexibility, allowing you to adjust marketing efforts precisely as your business needs evolve. You also benefit from advanced marketing tools and data-driven strategies, staying competitive with the latest technologies. Ready to elevate your digital marketing knowledge and network with like-minded professionals? Join the free Zyme Lab Skool community today for further learning and support.